has been unusually rainy and cloudy this year. I felt like cuddling, wrapped around a blanket all day, but I realized that the chance of me freezing to death in Southern California in early summer is pretty much zero.
Just like the trees that are gonna fall off.
We've been spending many hours either growing or unintentionally killing plants. In my last video, we visited a local farm for strawberry picking so that we can get a sense of how foods grow. This interest continued as I stumbled upon Ron Finley's masterclass and TED Talk. While spending time in our small garden, I realized how wonderful it is to have living plants around. They say plants purify the air, but I think they also cleanse my mind.
Is that pink? Pink purple.
Is pink purple?
Yeah.
You want to try to eat it?
No! It's not food!
It is food!
Mom! It's a